Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn lesson 5 of value education. Lesson 5, brave and courageous. After fear is every come you see victory. It is dark night, the electricity goes off, you are alone at home with your baby sister. Someone knocks at the door. What do you do? Hide under the bed with your sister, find out who is at the door, and then decide what to do. I think second option is correct. Read the story to find out who was true brave, Mahi or Pontoma. Mahi and Pontoma. The best man in the whole tribal is Mahi the brave. Everyone was say Mahi would smile proudly and flex his muscles. One could see for oneself at any time of the jump to off. One could see for oneself at any time of the day just how brave he was. He could jump at the ground for amaze heights, fight poison snake and catch scorpions with brave hands. He would do all his without even a flinch. The, the people of the tribal also said something completely different. He is not at all brave. This was for Pontoma. No one had even seen him catching a monkey. One day, one day both Mahi and Pontoma meet in the forest. Mahi said, "See, Pontoma, a coral snake. I have just catch it." Pontoma smile and say, "Well done, Mahi. You are you are a brave man." Just then it started running cats and dogs. Both of them ran to shelter themselves under a thick foliage, and there they stay until the rain stopped. When they were about to leave the shelter, they they heard the roar of a tiger. The tiger was right outside of foliage at the entrance. Pontoma said the foliage is very thick and dense. The tiger will not be able to get through. Let's stay here. Mahi was getting restless. He wanted to get out of the tiger hole and confirm the tiger in the open space where he could full use his great hunting skill. He said, "I am going to fight the tiger. I could not sit in a hole like a coward." Pontoma get him to keep still and be quiet, but Mahi, tired of being stuck with a coward, leapt out of the thicket, surprising surprising the tiger. The fight between the two began. The tiger suffered a compound to deep wound, but soon recovered and hunt Mahi with two sweeps of its paw, throwing throwing him to the ground. The tiger was just going to kill Mahi when Pontoma gathered courage and attack, he had a spear in his hand. It was Mahi's spear. He moved as fast as he being of light with Scrabble brave. He hunted the animals again and again until it fell to the ground life, lifeless. Mahi witnessed all his with shock. Neither of them spoke a word. No word were needed. Mahi's grateful expression said it all. For from that day on, people necklace about other either Mahi's brave or Pontoma's coward decide. They had noticed that Mahi's old spear was now with Pontoma. Pontoma just smiled whenever he remembered that day when he learned to be brave and was successful for controlling his fear. Mahi also smiled and learned that true brave lay not to seeing danger about on being able to comfort it. Thank you.